Hello and welcome to the video. This project is part of the Miniature Wildlife Series. In this episode, we make 1/12 scale brown-eyed Susans using paper, wire, and artificial snow. Materials are listed in the description box below. We use 4 punches for the project. Punch 2 brown 1-inch circles for the base, glue together, then glue the top, apply T-bits, press, let dry. Mix a 1/4 teaspoon of artificial snow with a few drops of brown paint. Let dry. Cut 14 cloth-covered floral wire pieces into the sizes as shown. Glue wire stems in the pattern shown. I've added extra glue in the join spots so you can see easier. When dry, clamp the main piece, glue the 4 remaining stems to the center, 2 to each side. Once plant stems are dry, paint join parts green, then add some brown for variation to the stems. For flowers and buds, punch 11 cardstock yellow flowers, 3 copy paper yellow suns, and 14 light green vellum suns. For the leaves, punch 15 large and 15 small pieces, 1/4 and 3/16 inches. For flower centers, use 3 small circles and 11 large circles. With stylus on a flat surface, press flower petals and leaves lengthwise down the center. Then pinch press the leaf sides together. Color with marker flower center circles, brown, then glue to the flowers and the buds. With stylus, curl flowers, buds, and the vellum sun pieces as shown. Then add brown snow bits in the centers of the flowers and buds. Glue the 14 vellum pieces to the backs of the flowers and buds. Glue plant to base, let dry. Then glue leaves to the stems. Add flowers and buds with glue to the tops of the stems. Then clip leaves a bit once on either side. You could make some extra stems to display in a bouquet, or make several plants to show in a garden, or arrange in a nature setting. I hope you like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.